Grab another chunk. Oh, you just licked your fingers. That's okay. Okay. Grab a chunk.
Okay.
Roll it up for me, Hallie. Good job. And then you can put it on the pan. You put these two. You can't lick your fingers though every time, because then your slobbers on everyone's cookies. Very good. We'll just give these to Daddy.
Why?
And Tyler.
Why? But they're not made yet.
Oh, they're not made yet? Okay. Come up here. Okay, ready? What are you doing?
But all your cookies bakery there.
Okay, I'll do that one. These are
I'm
all
sick.
your cookies. You're sick?
Yeah.
Okay, are we going to put it in the oven? Did it ring yet? Wait, hold on.
I hear it.
You hear it?
Hey, I put it in
Wait, we got more. One, couple more. Ready? Wait, one big one or like two little ones?
Two little ones.
Okay, let's put it in there. There you go. Make one, then put it on, and then make two.
I like your cookies, bakery man.
Thank you, customer man. Okay. Let's see what the oven's on.
One.
It's only 253.
One.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 9 actually.
That's like a big lot because it has
That is
two
a
big-
lot.
Because
And we're supposed to spread them out so that they don't melt and stick together. Like all yucky. Like this.
and then my baby won't wake up.
Yeah, then your baby. Oh. Here you go. You're silly.
Those,
Okay.
are those chocolates inside of my kitty and my baby can those chocolates? I like chocolates.
Yeah, you like the chocolates?
Yeah. I never tried them in my life.
Yeah.